To know the exact age when you are given date of birth and today's date, start with the day. 10 minus 26 is minus 16, but the date cannot be negative. Take today's date. Subtract 1 from the month and add the corresponding number of days in day. You must be wondering why I have added 31 when the month is February, because February is not over according to this date. So you add the days from the previous month, that means from January. This date become 10 plus 31, 41, 2 minus 1, 1, and 2024 will remain as it is. Change the today's date. Now you can easily subtract day. 41 minus 26 is 15. In month, 1 minus 12 gives minus 11. Again, month can never be negative. Take the today's date. This time subtract 1 from the year and add 12 months in the month. This will become 41, 13, 2023. Again change the date. Solve for month. 13 minus 12, 01, and 2023 minus 2009 is 14. So the age become 14 years, 1 month and 15 days.